Which planet do we live on? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Earth. C. Earth. You got it. Which is the biggest planet in our solar system? A. Jupiter. B. Mercury. C. Mars. A. Jupiter. Spot on. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Saturn. B. Mars. Yes, that's correct. What is the center of our solar system? A. The sun. B. The moon. C. The earth. A. The sun. Perfect answer. Which planet has beautiful rings around it? A. Neptune. B. Saturn. C. Mars. B. Saturn. You're a star. Which is the smallest planet? A. Mercury. B. Jupiter. C. Earth. A. Mercury. Correct. Well done. Which is the brightest object in our night sky? A. Mars. B. The sun. C. The moon. C. The moon. That's right. Which planet is closest to the sun? A. Earth. B. Mercury. C. Venus. B. Mercury. Exactly. Is the sun a planet or a star? A. Planet. B. Star. C. Comet. B. Star. Excellent job. Which planet is known as the blue planet? A. Earth. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. A. Earth. Nice one. How many planets are in our solar system? A. 5. B. 7. C. 8. C. 8. You're right. Which planet is the hottest? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. A. Venus. You nailed it. What do astronauts travel in? A. A car. B. A rocket. C. A boat. B. A rocket. Way to go! Which planet is very cold and blue? A. Neptune. B. Venus. C. Mars. A. Neptune. That's the one. What do we call a person who travels to space? A. Pilot. B. Sailor. C. Astronaut. C. Astronaut. Great guess.
Which planet is the seventh from the Sun? A. Uranus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. A. Uranus. Superb. What is the Earth's natural satellite? A. The Sun. B. The Moon. C. The stars. B. The Moon. You got it right. Which planet is often called Earth's twin? A. Venus. B. Jupiter. C. Neptune. A. Venus. Smart choice. What do we use to look at stars far away? A. Microscope. B. Telescope. C. Magnifying glass. B. Telescope. Exactly right. Which planet is made mostly of gas? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. C. Jupiter. Spot on. What do we call a group of stars? A. Galaxy. B. Forest. C. Crowd. A. Galaxy. Fantastic! What is the dark space above us called? A. Ocean. B. Outer space. C. Clouds. B. Outer space. You're doing great. Which planet has the great red spot? A. Jupiter. B. Earth. C. Venus. A. Jupiter. Impressive. What do we call the path a planet takes? A. Road. B. Orbit. C. Track. B. Orbit. That's the correct word. Which planet is the furthest from the Sun? A. Mercury. B. Neptune. C. Earth. B. Neptune. You got it. What are Saturn's rings made of? A. Ice and dust. B. Candy and sugar. C. Gold and silver. A. Ice and dust. Perfectly. What color does the sun look from Earth? A. Green. B. Yellow. C. Blue. B. Yellow. Yes, exactly. Which force keeps us on the ground? A. Wind. B. Rain. C. Gravity. C. Gravity. You're a genius. What do we call a falling star? A. Meteor. B. Cloud. C. Airplane. A. Meteor. Good job. Which planet rotates on its side? A. Uranus. B. Mars. C. Earth. A. Uranus. Amazing fact. What is the Milky Way? A. A candy bar. B. Our galaxy. C. A river. B. Our galaxy. You got it!
Which planet is second from the Sun? A. Venus. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. A. Venus. Spot on. What is a giant ball of burning gas? A. A star. B. A rock. C. A moon. A. Star. You nailed it! Which planet is the fourth from the Sun? A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. Venus. B. Mars. That's right. What do astronauts wear in space? A. T-shirt. B. Raincoat. C. Spacesuit. C. Spacesuit. What is the shape of the Earth? A. Flat square. B. Round sphere. C. Triangle. B. Round sphere.